Ever wondered how successful entrepreneurs manage their finances? Well, the secret sauce often lies in the mastery of accounting. Yes, accounting. It's not just for number crunchers in stuffy offices, it's a vital skill that can make or break your entrepreneurial journey. Accounting is the language of business. It's the backbone that supports informed decisions, keeps track of expenses and income, and ensures compliance with legal requirements. It's like the GPS for your business, guiding you on the right path and keeping you from getting lost in the financial wilderness. But don't be intimidated. We're here to break down the accounting skills into digestible parts. We'll strip away the jargon, debunk the myths, and guide you through the essentials. From understanding financial statements to mastering budgeting and forecasting, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned as we dive into the essential accounting skills every entrepreneur should have. Let's embark on this journey to financial literacy together. The first step in mastering your finances is understanding your financial statements. Now let's dive into the heart of accounting, the financial statements. These essential documents are like the health reports of your business, giving you a snapshot of its financial well-being. There are three main types of financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. Each of them serves a unique purpose, and together, they paint a comprehensive picture of your business's financial health. First up, the balance sheet. This statement is like a photograph, capturing your business's financial position at a specific point in time. It's divided into two parts: assets, the things your business owns, and liabilities, the obligations your business owes. The difference between your assets and liabilities is your equity, or the net worth of your business. A healthy balance sheet typically shows more assets than liabilities, indicating a strong financial foundation. Next, the income statement, sometimes referred to as a profit and loss statement. This document is like a movie, showing your business's financial performance over a period of time. It lists your revenues, or the money your business makes, and your expenses, or the money your business spends. Subtract expenses from revenues, and you get your net income or profit. A profitable income statement is a sign of a thriving business. Last but not least, the cash flow statement. This statement tracks the money flowing in and out of your business over a period of time. It's divided into three categories: operations, investing, and financing. Cash flow from operations indicates the cash your business generates from its core activities. Investing activities include buying or selling assets, and financing activities include borrowing or repaying loans. A positive cash flow means your business is generating more cash than it's spending, which is a great sign of financial health. So there you have it: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. These three financial statements are your key to understanding the financial health of your business. With a clear understanding of financial statements, you're better equipped to make strategic business decisions. Scene script. Next up, we have budgeting and forecasting, crucial skills for financial management. Let's begin with budgeting. It's more than just scribbling numbers on a piece of paper. It's a strategic tool that helps you control your business's costs. Think of it as a financial roadmap. It outlines your expected income and expenses, helping you plan for the future. It can be as simple as tracking your monthly expenses to as complex as planning for a significant business expansion. The key is to ensure that your budget aligns with your business goals. Now let's move on to forecasting. If budgeting is your roadmap, forecasting is your GPS. It uses historical data to predict future income and expenses. It's like having a glimpse into the future, allowing you to prepare for what's to come. Whether you're expecting a surge in sales or bracing for a slow season, forecasting equips you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Together, budgeting and forecasting play a pivotal role in planning and resource allocation. They help you avoid overspending, identify potential financial challenges, and seize opportunities for growth. These skills allow you to maintain a healthy cash flow, which is the lifeblood of any business. Remember, a successful entrepreneur isn't just a dreamer. They're also a planner who understands the importance of financial management. Mastering budgeting and forecasting allows you to anticipate financial needs and avoid potential pitfalls. No financial conversation is complete without discussing taxes. This statement rings especially true for entrepreneurs. Taxes are a vital part of running any business, and understanding your tax obligations is an absolute must. It's not just about staying on the right side of the law, it's about making your business as efficient as possible. Think of it this way: tax knowledge isn't just about avoiding fines or legal trouble, though that's certainly a big part. It's about understanding how to use the tax system to your advantage. There are numerous tax benefits out there, specifically designed for businesses, and they can provide significant savings. But to take advantage of these benefits, you need to know that they exist. You need to understand how they work. You need to know how to qualify for them. Of course, tax codes can be complex. They're often filled with jargon, and they can be difficult to navigate. That's where professional help can come in handy. Certified public accountants or tax lawyers have the knowledge and experience to guide you through the intricacies of the tax world. They can help ensure you're meeting your obligations while also helping you take advantage of any opportunities for savings. Remember, as an entrepreneur, your time is valuable. Don't waste it struggling through tax codes when you could be focusing on growing your business. Seek professional help if needed. A good grasp on tax knowledge can save you from unnecessary headaches down the line. Lastly, we have financial analysis, the key to unlocking your business's potential. This is the process where we take a deep dive into your financial statements. We dissect them, analyze them, and use them to paint a picture of your business's financial health. It's a bit like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, we're solving financial puzzles. Financial analysis helps us identify trends. Just like a weatherman predicts the weather based on patterns, we can predict financial patterns based on past and present data. Is your revenue growing, stagnating, or declining? Are your expenses under control, or are they skyrocketing? By spotting these trends, we can anticipate future outcomes and make informed decisions. Next, financial analysis measures performance. It's your business's report card. It tells you how well you're doing compared to your past self and your competitors. Here, we use indicators like profitability ratios and liquidity ratios. A profitability ratio, like the net profit margin, tells you how much of your sales are actually profit. A high ratio means you're doing well. A low ratio might indicate a need for improvement. On the other hand, liquidity ratios like the current ratio measure your ability to pay short-term debts. A ratio above 1 suggests you're in a good position. Below 1, it's a red flag that needs immediate attention. Finally, financial analysis is a guide for strategic planning. It's your business's GPS. It tells you where you are, where you're heading, and what turns to take. It helps you set realistic goals and devise strategies to achieve them. If the numbers suggest you're veering off course, it's time to recalculate your route and make necessary adjustments. In conclusion, financial analysis is not just a bunch of numbers. It's a powerful tool that provides insights, drives decision-making, and fuels growth. It's a compass that navigates your business through the stormy seas of the marketplace. Financial analysis not only helps you understand where your business stands, but also where it could go. So there you have it, the essential accounting skills every entrepreneur should master. We've walked through the forest of figures and financial reports and emerged with a better understanding of the landscape. We began by exploring the significance of financial statements, those crucial documents that reflect the financial health of your enterprise. They are the lifeblood of your business, telling its story in numbers. Whether it's the balance sheet, income statement, or cash flow statement, each one provides a unique insight into your company's economic standing. Next, we delved into the world of budgeting and forecasting. These are the tools that help you navigate the uncertain future and prepare for what's to come. By forecasting your revenues and expenses, you can create a budget that guides your financial decisions and helps you avoid potential pitfalls. It's like having a financial compass, pointing you in the direction of profitability and growth. We then tackled the often daunting realm of tax knowledge. Taxes are a necessary part of doing business, and understanding the ins and outs can save you from costly mistakes. From knowing your tax obligations to taking advantage of tax deductions, this knowledge can make a significant difference to your bottom line. Lastly, we discussed the power of financial analysis. This skill allows you to dissect your financial data and draw meaningful conclusions. It helps you identify trends, assess performance, and make strategic decisions based on solid evidence. It's the magnifying glass that brings the intricate details of your business's financial health into focus. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your entrepreneurial journey, these accounting skills are invaluable. They're not just about keeping the taxman happy or ticking off compliance boxes. They're about understanding your business at a deeper level, making informed decisions, and driving your enterprise forward. You can invest time in developing these skills yourself or seek the help of professionals. Either way, the investment is worth it. Remember, good accounting isn't just about compliance, it's about making informed decisions that drive your business forward.